Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study geography effectively. First, focus on understanding core concepts and themes. Next, make sure to utilize maps and other visual aids regularly. Then, connect your geographical knowledge to current events. And finally, practice with real-world examples and quizzes. This structured approach will help you build a strong foundation and deepen your understanding of the world around us. To truly grasp geography, begin by defining fundamental terms like latitude and longitude. Then, delve into understanding physical features such as mountain ranges and major rivers. It's also important to explore human geography topics, including population density and cultural landscapes. Finally, identify and learn about the various climate zones and their unique characteristics to build a comprehensive base. Visual learning is crucial in geography. Regularly study both political and physical maps, using atlases and online mapping tools to explore different regions. Actively relate geographical concepts to daily news stories and current events. This helps you analyze how geography impacts global issues, making your learning more relevant and engaging. Seeing the world through a geographical lens enhances understanding. To solidify your geographical knowledge, consistently test yourself with quizzes and flashcards. A great technique is to draw your own maps, which helps reinforce the locations of countries, cities, and physical features. Discuss geographical topics with friends or study groups to gain new perspectives. Remember to review challenging areas regularly. This consistent practice is key for long-term retention and mastery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.